Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will study about the topic writing off loss or discount on issue of debentures. So let's start. Discount or loss on issue of debenture is a capital loss for the company and it should be written off over the life of the debentures. जो debentures की life है जब debentures redeem होंगे within that time period within that duration ये discount जो है इसको write off करना होता है. Discount may be written off in the first year itself, or it may be written off over the life of the debentures. Discount or loss may be written off from capital reserve, or from securities premium reserve, or from the statement of P&L. So the entry becomes capital reserve account debit and or securities premium reserve account debit and or statement of P&L account debit to discount or loss on issue of debentures. Now, we will study the methods of writing off discount or loss on issue of debentures. First method is fixed installment method. Writing off amount of discount or loss in equal installments every year. जब बराबर बराबर amount हर साल write off होता है, then that is called fixed installment method. And this method is used when all the debentures will be redeemed on maturity. जब सारे debentures इकट्ठे maturity पे redeem हो रहे हैं, then we will use this method. The amount of discount is written off equally over the life of the debentures. बराबर बराबर हर साल write off हो जाएगा. So the amount is calculated by this formula. The amount of discount to be written off is equal to total amount of discount or loss divided by the life of the debentures. Right? Okay. Next method is fluctuating installment method. In this method is used when debentures are redeemed on different dates by draw of lots. The number of debentures to be redeemed may or may not be equal. The discount or loss is written off in the ratio of outstanding balance of the nominal value of debentures. जब debentures एक साथ redeem ना होके installments में redeem होते हैं by draw of lots, थोड़े थोड़े हर साल जब debentures redeem हो रहे हैं throughout the life, then this method will be used. Now let us see with the help of an example. Suppose now on 1st April ABC Limited issued 10,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10% redeemable at par. Show the discount on issue of debentures account if first part such debentures are redeemed after 4 years and second part such debentures are redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 equal years. Let's see. In the first case, total discount becomes 10,000 into 100 into 10%, which is equal to rupees 1 lakh. Next, the period for debentures held. Debentures की life कितनी है? 4 years. So the amount of discount is 1 lakh divided by the life, which is 4 years. So 25,000 rupees 25,000 will be written off each year. Now in the second method, we will have to prepare a table. ठीक है? Now the year end years are यहाँ first column में. Second, the debentures outstanding in the beginning of the year. हर साल के beginning में, ये बात ध्यान रखिए, हर साल के beginning में जितने debentures हैं वो हमने यहाँ लिख लिए हैं. ठीक. Now अब इस figure की ये ratio हम निकालेंगे. Debentures outstanding in the beginning. तो ratio क्या आएगी? 1, 2, 3 and 4. फर्स्ट ईयर के एंड की रेशियो है 4, नेक्स्ट ईयर के एंड की रेशियो है 3, देन 2, देन 1 एंड द टोटल ऑफ रेशियो इज 10. नाउ द अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट टू बी रिटन ऑफ ईच ईयर हम कैसे निकालेंगे? ये है टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट 1 लाख था इनटू द रेशियो ऑफ दिस ईयर 4 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल ऑफ रेशियोज. तो 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 इज रुपीज 40,000. इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन द टोटल डिस्काउंट वाज 1 लाख इनटू इस ईयर की रेशियो 3 divide by total of ratios, which is 10. So the amount is 30,000 and so on. अगले साल 20,000 फिर 10,000. तो टोटल यहाँ पे हमारा 1 लाख हो गया. this is the amount which will be written off each year in the year ending 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now let's see the account. This is the discount on issue of debentures account. First of all, the amount is transferred in this account. So on 1st April 2012 जब debentures issue हुए थे, to dash % debentures account, the amount of discount was 1 lakh. Now at the end of the first year, by crediting statement of P&L in this account, we will write off 40,000. The balance remains 60,000. Now this balance comes down to next year 60,000, and in second year we are writing off 30,000 according to the previous table. उस table के हिसाब से every year we will write off the amount 40,000, then second year में 30,000, then third year में 20,000 and last year में 10,000. Now let us take another example. On 1st April 2012, A Limited issued 10,000 debentures of ₹100 each at a discount of 6%, redeemable at par by draw of lots as follows. The date of redemption is given and the amount of debentures is given. So in this year, 1 lakh debentures were redeemed. In 2014, 2 lakhs, 15, 3 lakhs and 16, 4 lakhs. Now let us find out the amount of loss to be written off each year. Now in debentures outstanding in the beginning of the each year, यहाँ हम years लिख देंगे सारे, then we'll see the debentures outstanding. First year के beginning में this much debentures were there. First year के end में कोई redemption नहीं है, इसलिए second year के beginning में भी उतने ही debentures यहाँ लिखे हुए हैं. You can see the question side by side also. Now second year के end में debentures redeem हुए हैं. 1 lakh debentures are redeemed. So in the beginning the amount of debentures outstanding is 9 lakhs. Then in the beginning of next year 7 lakhs and then in the beginning of the last year 4 lakhs. अब इन figures की हम ratio निकालेंगे. तो ratio क्या है? 10, 10, 9, 7, 4 and the total is 40. The amount of discount to be written off each year. The amount of discount was 60,000. So 60,000 into the ratio of this year divided by total of ratios, which is 15,000. In the next year also same. Then in the next year 60,000 into 9, then total of ratio divided by total of ratio 40,000, 13,500. Then in the next year 10,500 and the last year 6,000. Now let us see the account. This is how we will prepare the account. First we will transfer the discount on the debit side. Then on the credit side, each year we will be writing off the amount which we have calculated in our previous table. So first year we have written off 15,000. The balance becomes 40,000, 45. Then we will carry it down 45,000. Then the next year, year ending 31st March 2014, again we are writing off 15,000. The balance remains 30,000. Then 30,000 is carried down next year. Then in the third year 13,500 is written off. Then 16,500 is carried down. Then 10,500 is written off. Then 6,000 is carried down and the last year 6,000 is written off. और ये account अपने आप close होगा last में. यहाँ कोई balance नहीं है, it is 0. क्योंकि ये अपने आप close होगा. आप चाहें तो ये ना भी लिखें, by balance CD आप ना लिखें क्योंकि यहाँ 0 amount है. I've just written it to show it to you ताकि यहाँ balance अपने आप 0 बच रहा है, यहाँ कोई balance नहीं है. This account will close automatically. So this is how the discount on issue of debentures is calculated and it is written in the account. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Thank you for watching.